Simply put the egg into the jar and pour in your white vinegar. Make sure you pour in enough to completely cover the egg. The next step is to leave this for 24 hours. But during that time, why not have a look at the egg in the jar? You'll see that bubbles are forming on the side of the egg and rising to the surface. This is because there is a chemical in the vinegar which is slowly dissolving a chemical inside the shell of the egg. After some time, you'll start to see that parts of the shell have floated to the surface. After 24 hours, take the egg out of the vinegar and very carefully rub off any excess bits of shell that are still stuck onto it. If you're lucky, the entire shell will have been dissolved and you'll be left with a nice, squishy, bouncy egg. If you drop the egg from a small height, maybe a few centimeters, you'll see that it bounces and rolls just like a bouncy ball. This is because even though the shell has gone, the membrane from inside the shell is still holding the egg together. You'll see that the ball is actually quite strong. You can squeeze the egg, you can bounce the egg, and you can roll it around, but inside you can see that the yolk is still floating around. Just to prove this isn't a trick, if you drop the egg from high enough, it will break. You can see here that if you pick up the skin, it's actually very thin, but very stretchy and very strong. Amazing, right? So there you have it. That's how you make your very own bouncy egg.
Today we're going to show you an awesome experiment that involves making